Hey guys, welcome back with another brand and exciting strategy. And this video I'm going to share with you that you can earn $300 a week from home actually with CPA marketing. So this method is really brilliant and it is really awesome that you can simply implement at the backside. You can earn a huge amount of money from that. So I'm going to share with you the max bounty offer what CPA grab CPA lead and any other website that you are interested with that you can simply use and start making money with CPA offer or CPA marketing from your home very easily. So I'm going to share with you one method, then you can simply implement and you can use any other website that you are interested with that. You can simply use that. So not let's not waste the time and get straight into the method and strategy. The first and important thing is that before starting the method, I would like to request you to watch the video to the very end to do not miss any single part of the strategy. The next one is that you can simply hit the like button as an appreciation and hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. As an example, I can simply show you the offer walls that you can simply promote the products with that. So this is the upper world with CPA marketing website actually that you can simply make money from that. So the first thing is that you can simply just type, for example, gift gift cards. We can simply just type it right here, and then we can simply go to the categories area right here as you can see here, and here you can simply just get different categories right here that you can simply start promoting the product with that, like CPA, CPI, CPL, CPM, credit, crypto, or something like that. You can simply just scroll down and you can see here another something like email or email submit. You can simply just click on one of those. So once you click on one of those right here, you will see here different offers right here that will be CPA offer, something like this one right here, as you can see here. Retail rewards club $1,000 with a gift card, which is email submit and gift card right here. And this is another one, so something like okay, wow, Visa 500 gift card is right here. So they only require to submit the emails right here. You can simply just click on that. Let me just open in a new tab right here. So once it is open, they will give us more information about the products right here. Let me just refresh the page right here. So this will be the special offer that we can simply promote right here. We can simply join the network. So once we join the network right here, so this will be the network, something like, for example, the category is sweepstakes gift card right here. The network is the MAC group. We need to sign up with this network and then we will have the special affiliate or CPA link. So once we have it that we can earn $3 for CPA means whenever people submit their email right here. So how we can do that, we can go with further details right here. Okay. So once you can simply join the network and simply grab the CPA list. That is simple. Once you grab it, the next step is that you can simply go to Google and just type 𝐼LAds.com. Once you just tap it, you will have the first link. You can simply click on that. Once you click on that, you will just come to this website, 𝐼LAds.com. So basically, it is an advertising platforms right here that you can simply advertise your contents or any other contents. And it is basically also a micro task website actually that you can simply do right here with these types of website right here. But it is good for advertisement that if you can just simply join that, and if you can spend only $1 right here, so with only one single dollar you can start your business right here, and you can have something like $0 and 0.005 per click actually means you can just have this amount of people that they can simply click on your ads and they can sign up. Whenever they sign up, so we will get $3 for sign up right here. As you can see here that we are promising right here, payout is $3 for email submit right here. So it's not only about this one website that you can simply do right here. So you can simply just click on the register button right here and you can sign up with that, and you can simply create a simple campaigns right here on this website. And this is another website at dodge at dash doge.com. you can see here the first link and the Google. You can simply click on that and you will be visited to this page right here. As you can see here, there are a lot of, for example, good advertising with this website. So it's also basically a small micro task website that you can also perform tasks, earn the money, and then those money you can simply spend it by your own advertisement or promoting your CPA offers to different people. Even you can target the right people. For example, if your offer is CPA offer is in the country of USA, for example, it is the country US means only required US people to sign up through this your special link. Then you can simply target on this website right here. Only US people can sign up through your link for just something like 20 or 50 people by $1. You can simply hire them and they can submit their emails. So whenever they submit their emails, we earn the money from that. So this is another website. And the third and coolest website that I will also share you, that is the CPA ads that works similar to that. You can simply click on that and you will be visited to this main page, the CPAads.com right here, as you can see here. And that is really a powerful website that you can simply create a simple campaigns right here by only $1, and you can spend and you can simply get a lot of money from that. So if you spend $1, of course you will get $150 back from this website right here, because you only spend 0.005 cents on each clicks or in each sign up. So that's why it's a brilliant website. All of them, all these three different websites are brilliant. You can simply sign up with them and you can start promoting your products with these types of website for absolutely free here. So hope you like the method and you are interested with that. If you like it, please hit the like button. Comment if you have any question or concern and can respond to that as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So if you want to make more money online than this, then check out the first link in the description of this video and you will be redirected to this page right here, which is a free 60-second traffic app actually that you can get up to 150 plus free leads and buyers to any link to your CPA link or your affiliate links. So you can definitely come to this website by just hitting the first link in the description and you can simply watch this video. Each and everything will be just showing you right here on this website, and these are the bonuses, tips, tricks and strategy will be all available on this website, that how you can earn the money from this website, from different affiliate marketing website or from different CPA offer website for absolutely free. So all the tips, tricks and strategy and bonuses are mentioned on this website. You just need to click on the first link in the description and you will be redirected to this page right here and you can learn a lot here. So if you like it, don't forget to hit the like button for this video and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.